Hello, this is my knockoff White House build thing. Sorry if the screen is like a little bit blurry, but like I can't really record my Nintendo Switch TV without having blurry. So this is what you get if you want to watch this. Some people that I know have been telling me to do voice reveal, so here you go, you moron. Yeah, you know who you are. But like, to the point, this is just me, I'm rebuilding my Wii U world. Anybody with a Wii U, you know it's pretty much impossible to get any of your worlds onto the Switch unless you got your Switch in like, 2017, so I'm rebuilding some of it, but building it better. So, all I'm doing here is just like, this is not part of the original world. Anybody who's like, and came to my house before and played on it, you all know that like it's not actually how it is. So it's just, I'm rebuilding this, or not rebuilding this, I'm building this just because I wanted it, because it just looks nice. Tell me this does not look nice. Yeah, I messed up a couple times, like just right there, but like this looks amazing. Anytime that I look in the right spot, it looks absolutely amazing. Somewhere in this video I will go to the spawn facility thing, and whenever I go fast the screen will be all weird. In the background when I turn around there's like this big obsidian thing that will sometimes show up behind the building, this building right here, and that will just be like, that is the prison that I have. Okay, I hate doing this talking over the video. I'd much rather do it in the video, but like I can't record properly. Sub, drop, like, share this. Make it so that I can make better videos, please. I know you want to. Drop that like, or whatever all the other stupid freaking YouTubers say. Well, yeah, the first bit of this video of the recording actually corrupted, so all the building that I already did before, all this knockoff White House stuff or whatever this is, I don't know, I just got this image off of Google, whatever it is, all the stuff before what you see right now, I already built that, and the old recording just like completely threw up on itself, so now I don't have that. Yeah, so now it's just like I'm building it. So like this one guy, he commented on my video, he's like, how come you get more views and it's such a bad video, but I make such good videos and get so little views? It was like Among Us gas or something like that. And then everybody's just commenting on it, like, yeah, how did he do that? This guy's trash. Guess what? I'm better than you if you don't get 400 views. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that view right there. That looks amazing. Like, that is like, you build that, you're the best. All those other builds are just like where the original builds were. There was almost nothing here besides like a stadium thing. Yeah, there's just gonna be like that one block. That's gonna be one block out of place, and I'm gonna have to completely destroy half of it and then rebuild it or something like that. That's gonna be the most annoying thing. See right there in the background, that big obsidian block is where the unescapable prison is. You think you could escape it? You probably can't. Nobody's allowed in unless they take off all of their stuff, get killed like 8 times. And then, You pearl in, and the only way to get out is dying. The walls regenerate because they're cobblestone surrounded in lava, surrounded in obsidian, so you want to get out, good luck. If you want me to build anything else in this world, just comment it, and I will do videos on it. I will make it. If this video gets 20 likes, it's 20 too low, I can't tell. I've never gotten 20. Most is like 7. This video gets 20 likes, I will make the top comment or something. Yeah, sorry about this part here. It's just like I just walked away from it for a little while, so I cut as much part of it out as I possibly could. So there's still like freaking 2 minutes. I want to skip a couple minutes ahead. Sorry about it. Okay, I am like not the best at commands. So like this part right here took me a while. Just because like I cannot spell either. Yeah, that just makes it look so much better. Like it's actually almost like a full build. Like if I were to look at that right now, I'd already say that it's like complete that front bit, but like I want it to be real nice. Yeah, this door will probably change. It just like doesn't look good no matter how much I build it. Here, right here, I kind of just like put a couple upside down slabs, just like, not slabs, they're stairs, because they're just like the best thing ever to be added. Upside down stairs, best thing ever. Changed my mind.